NDC Strongholds are the poorest communities. One in the dream and now in the dream. A Busiam found Boshi, the Yanko Piamu, Ewo Sobenya in the Eastern region. In your maybe Edin Sembi Atuja. Now, Ochra NDC Strongholds organ in Nano, a poorest community. In some of the two Janine, Yanko Timber, we are the vegetarian.
Babajo, only say Ghana higher way, the poorest community I ever Ghana higher NDC for Stronghold. And Babajo, Semuti. The poor communities are ever Ghana ha NDC for Stronghold. Identity because of MP no and Muntimi Boa of Mo. MP Ayatu Abamo Mono Muntimi Boa of Mo. Uko ya dangme sectors ni na yetu Abama NDC. Me see uko community they are the poor communities are ever Ghana ha. Me donyami especially Ubami Lower Manya. Lower Manya is the poorest community in Ghana here. I'm telling you. Because youth they do Ambanya scano, they don't have support. Obu how dreams of the Bayer Juma, but support anyway. You don't have the support. And to Lower Manya, in Kuala Sembebre. And you say, Uba the poorest community, the whole Ghana, Lower Manya, the NDC for Stronghold. Dangme sectors in India, they are the poorest community, Ghana. Eh? The MPs are not happy. The MPs are not happy. You are too about my MP 60 years, 60 good years. Until me money papa kukra work and pay work away. Picanto, sa kia Picanto yi. Until me top ba kukra di amo bi say Gene factory now. Fire fabetu an kapo. Me di amo work and pay mpo. Eti yo sorry ane ye to abama NDC ade dam for ye Jimmy ade dam for ye dodo ye Jimmy sa eh ade tin ye dam for dodo na ye Jimmy sa eh enso nipa wo ha ebetimi aboa yen nipa wo ha pa betimi aboa yen ba nipa ni ba na mu di propaganda ase nipa no na mu aka sem boni afa nipa no mu so mu wuni seti no so a mu ntimi nya di papa bia di amayen eh NDC for Aden, done before Aden, maybe some. They be a musori, I must see NDC. They be a musori, I must see NDC. And so much mu clone and koye. Clone and koye. NDC Strongholds in and koye. Call rocks in the family, call rocks in the family chrome and koye. Call Kujato chrome and koye. Call some George chrome and koye. Oba Deputy Interior Minister Tel Aviv, Lower Manyaha and koye. Nyamambia almost Strongholds in na be enko ye wo enko ye youth ni bre sana meka na me see who call the dangme sectors ni nyina me see driving youth no dodo ne omujumani ya driving dodo no omujumani ya driving but bisa say MPB wo dangme sectors about me ma work and pay what me talk out baku 5 say me di ma work and pay ma youth no muntwi na mu fanya mu fa ye adwuma na da Ay3k no be ye omudia Yanya people said to say Sani Panidana. Eh? Ah, yeah, Juma sa ya to abasa, the ama NDC, and so at the pepper beer, new one would be my yeah, the pepper beer, Omudi my Sempana make a child. It's now Uba the poorest community I walk away, Ghana has a NDC for Stronghold. Ashanti region, I'm not here Bob Brow or Ashanti region. Said I'm off for Bob Bra or no, or you're gonna take a Crebia now, pay, no, the Abesi, PZ, now or Tomade, now MP no support you. Obia, even, or sent to support you. What I say, but yeah, done before youth, no one supporting ye, Obia new. Obia ni wa support you down with youth now or mu walk away mu or mu Obia ni wa support you mu MP Ayato about more money now Obia ni wa or you down with youth so you're sorry NDC sorry Ayazu sorry Ayazu and so AstroTurf cry and be walk away mu akwan papa bia ya ni bi walk away mu ejuma papa so ya ni bi walk away mu Enti da uba that you ya kokra na oba bisa say da abra ben pa na obotu ho a ada asem no kokko kire uba no Assemble na obeka kire oba no. Iti dan before me ka kire say ya tutu ya nyama yie. Dachi ye ma ye nananom be fa ba e dey abu yen e dey ahwe yen because ya bom abro ya hwe kro ni yie. Because of ya to abama ekwasiani bia onu ondwi ni manfo hu odwi onu nko ni bottom. Ebusia me da mase me dey see why.
Yamu akwa babiom ebusuya Ay Ghana Nsem TV eso na oguso ehwe no. Yenyo be me ye kohwe ne video yi ewo Lower Menya Krobo no ewo the eastern part and as the eastern region of Ghana. Na odi nsem bi atudwa o kire se wo hwe areas a ehia adokro mo pa na bibia nko ye mputuduma bia eni honom a honom ye NDC Strongholds. Now ye no kre idam say no kre ne say odi check it constituencies a wo teno se wo MPP Strongholds a check that constituency ni mputuduma wo honom fa compare constituency NDC wo. Look at the voter region for example. Before ansana Howay Peter Mewu eba be MP na hwe kwan na voter region be kaya ya sa kwan na voter region na mrebia na president flight Jerry John Wall set ase ana insuo to kwan na ase peche a o sifri ne kai mu na afi no directing of workers akwan no and the kufa do buy no mo yes akwan na mende kwan no wen double na eko Peter Mewu buy Howay omunya school hospital roads ejuma just say everything they got it but they still voted against the MPP because what? Because all your NDC Stronghold and they have to go back to where they came from, you know. Some of the constituencies in the voter region the Maggie any Akpele and the Dadam for mom to about the mom. And there's no news. Oko northern part NDC for MPs ni bi money emwa na numunsuo. Ebi money emwa na numunsuo like when you see those videos you'll be shocked. Nipa no omane emwa they say nwan ponchin nantwie enumunsuo wo ade ba akum. You know, sometimes I watch videos like this and I'll be like, hey, and sometimes it's very surprising. So when I see people from the NDC side talking, like I just look at them and now my also meeting is like, hey, most of the can't come can be because you people where you are coming from, you people don't have to even talk. Like in this Monkasa, you should keep quiet. You should keep quiet. You should keep quiet. I'm telling you. So sometimes you watch those videos and you become very, very surprised. But I wonder how Omunya they are famed to come and talk. But that's Ghana for you, and that's how Ghana politics has gotten to. But that's the truth. The most poorest communities or constituencies in this Ghana are the NDC Strongholds. And okay, that's facts. That's facts. You can argue with your phone, but that's the truth. Yeah, we stand with the truth, and we always talk about the truth. Ay Ghana Nsem TV. You better was on to boss here. Now, we'll share you.